Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Jingri Kejela uba Alexander lalu hek mentakasngi ke Henry Trek Nailor ula pelai pajba yang ki kat pra teli ki kali ki bala mangkerpang man kidot hakeleng Kejela. Haba keren ha kasngi uba hek ula ong kumno ngin kenteu ya kejing penmi dot ha Kejela tang arteli ki Masi ki laban yo hado arfusan hajar shibnai. Lana gidon sound teli ki Masi kinyo san pau hajar shibnai kalong kabasuk ban rimasi ladangi Pyrshang ban Sdang. Kini kam day ban long tang lengba ka jingirap jong ke sorkar ula ongru bangi don kam ban ya trailang bat kipat ba ban kinteo ya kini ka kam tam ban kinteo ya ka jing penmi dot hapo Kejela. Shesho ula ongru ba ki cooperative society ki tray kam henrai ngidon kam ya ki reu pat ba ban mi shakmat bat kadai du ke kamram jong ke sorkar ban nyerap ya ki bakin yang halaki jong ki kejan.
I take this honor and privilege to flag out this vehicle and hand over, also already hand over to the cooperative society, and I flag off for the inauguration. Congratulations.
Betul Ji.
I would like to thank the chair for presiding this program this afternoon. I'd like to thank the Dr. Manjunath, the Secretary Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, the Director of the Animal Husbandry Department, Mr. Alikas, Din Pyrshang, the Director of the Dairy State of Meghalaya, and also all the dignitaries, dais, all the officers, the staff, and all are present here today. The Manjunath had said very rightly, very categorically had said about how we can produce the meal, make the meal productions in the state of Meghalaya. He said that only 2 cows, it can earn the money of 25,000 per month. Only 2 yielding cows. Just imagine 2 yielding cows. If you have 4 yielding cows will have 50,000 per month. If you have 8 cows, will be earning 1 lakh rupees per month. It's a very easy to rear 8 cows or 10 cows, 12 cows, 50 cows if we all are taking the initiative. But this initiative, it cannot be ends only with the government. I told when we went touring to the Garo Hills district, I've been touring into all the farms of the government. I went to the poultry farm, I went to the goatry farm, the cattle farm, and all the farms. But there are very less productions. There's no production at all when we talk about the investment that the government had invested in our farms. That's why I am encouraging, I'm telling our government, we, all of us, we need to put our effort and our hard work, definitely, but the needs of the hour is, we have to involve the people. We need the PPP model, public partnership business. We can do it together with the people. If you want really to make this the dairy farming a productivity, to increase our productivity, we all of us, we need to engage with the people partners. We have to be partner with the people. Otherwise, it will not be able only the government to do the business. So that's why I'm saying this. If we have today, of course, we are going to hand over 18 vehicles and also the 18 testing kits to the cooperative societies. cooperative society, the mill union, they are working. But we need more to involve the people here. The mill need more to involve the farmers here. We need the people to take the business. We need only to facilitate them. The government is our duty and responsibility to give them the facilities. The duty of the government is to help them to facilitate, whether if it is has to take the loan from the bank, if we have to take the subsidy from the government, this kind of the facilities we have to help our farmers or the people who are going to take up this business. As I had said, everybody had said the right thing. Mill is a very important drinks to all of us. If you see the growth of our children, definitely we all of us, we depends on the nutritious foods, where lot of nutrients is there in the mills. We want our children to grow, we need to give regular drinks of milk. Now also there, while I was sitting there, I sipping that lassi. It was very tasty. Whether it is produced from this dairy farming or it is produced from other outside, we don't know, but it's very tasty. That also the products of the milk. It's the products of the milk. So therefore, friends, I will not take much of a time today since we only have a very short program, but they have told me also we'll have a very half an hour's program. I will not take much of your time, but only thing which I want to again reiterate it and repeat to all of you. If you want to sustain this dairy farming, if you want to enhance or increase the milk productivity, the milk production in the states of Meghalaya, we need to be partnering with the people. We need to hand-holding with the people to increase our productions in the states of Meghalaya. Today I was told it is the lowest, the milk productions in the state of Meghalaya is the lowest in the country today. Why it has happened here? I know the Directorate of Dairy Directorate, it is at a very, very infant stage. It has started just recently in 2018. The NPDD also they have started only implemented during 2017. Just started recently only. But what we had started also, we have seen they have so many processing units in all the districts. So many had started, somebody has already started producing, somebody has started just in the initial stage, infant stage, which has just installing the machineries, installing the parts, installing the infrastructure, but there's no production at all at present. If we really want to make the productions, we need to increase our productivity, we need to involve the people. Only the government we cannot do it. I remember way back in 1998, we had talking, when I was also minister at that time, way back in 1998, I discussed with late B.B. Lingdo, the former Chief Minister of the state of Meghalaya. When we had talked about the business, he said, no, don't talk business, the government. Government should not do business. The business should do by the people. The businessman only should do the business, not the government. Government only has to facilitate. Government only has to help the people.